All right, are you ready to make your own city? For this one, it's going to be just like the rural area one, but they gave us a road. So you have a road, you have, this is all one strip. So like the farm with the cows and the fence, we're going to cut just along this dotted line, and these are all connected. And then over here, these ones are separate. So we have apartments, a hospital, a city hall, ooh, a bus, a fire hydrant, there is a tree, and then our sign where we get to name our city. Our city probably isn't going to have the same name as our rural area, so we'll have to think of a new city name. I'm going to call my new city name Willow Villa. I don't know. I'm just going with it. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to cut out on the dotted lines and then fold them, and then you're going to put them together to create your city, okay? And I'll do one real quick so you can see what mine looks like, and then I'll be curious and interested to see what yours looks like. Either you can email it to me or you can post it on Facebook, but I hope that you have fun making your city, and I'll be right back to show you mine. Real quick while I'm cutting, you do not want to cut on this dotted line because we're folding things so they stand up, right? And if you cut on this dotted line, what is left right here to fold and stand up? Nothing. So you want to make sure that you cut across the top line of the road, so that way this space you have to fold. And if I read, it says fold on dotted line. I didn't read that over here. So don't cut on the dotted line. Cut on the top line of the road, so that way you can fold this. Okay. All right, so here's my little falling over town. Got the long strip of buildings on one side of the street, and then on the other side of the street the bus is driving down the road, the fire hydrant's hiding behind, and then we have the apartments in City Hall and the hospital. What does your urban city look like? I can't wait to see.